In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download signed documents in DocuSign. We'll walk through this from the moment you open DocuSign all the way to having the signed files saved on your computer, ready to use or share. I'll explain what you're seeing on screen and give you a few tips along the way so nothing is confusing. First, open your web browser and go to your DocuSign account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your main DocuSign dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see your recent activity, envelopes you've sent or received, and any documents that are still waiting to be signed. Take a second to make sure you're on the correct account if you manage more than one, for example, a personal and a business account. From the dashboard, look for the tab or menu item labeled Agreements. This is where DocuSign keeps track of documents that have been sent out for signature, including those that are already completed. Go ahead and click on the Agreements tab. When this page loads, you should see a list of your documents, along with their status, such as sent, completed, or voided. Next, you want to locate the specific signed document you're trying to download. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many documents, you may find it helpful to use filters or the search bar to narrow it down by name, date, or status. Once you've found the correct signed agreement, look to the right-hand side of that row for a download option. Click on Download next to that document. This opens up the download settings for that particular envelope. Here, DocuSign lets you choose how you want to receive the files. By default, it usually gives you the signed document and the certificate of completion as two separate files. If you'd prefer to keep everything together in one PDF, select the option that says Combine all PDFs into a single file. This is completely optional, but it can make things easier if you're going to store or send the file and want fewer attachments to manage. If you need the certificate of completion as a separate file for compliance or record keeping, you can leave the default setting as it is. Once you're happy with your choice, click on the main download button. Your browser will either save the file automatically to your default downloads folder, or it may prompt you to choose a location on your computer. After the download finishes, open the file to confirm everything looks correct and is fully signed, and you're done.